Bose just made waves again in 2025 with their brand new next-gen noise-canceling earbuds, and these might be the strongest challenge yet to Apple's AirPods Pro 2 and Sony's WF-1000XM5, bringing a complete redesign, smarter adaptive sound, and next-level comfort that could redefine premium wireless audio in the US market, because Bose has finally addressed the biggest complaints users had in previous models: battery life, fit, and smart controls. And now the new Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 earbuds introduce AI-powered active noise cancellation that adjusts automatically to your surroundings, whether you're walking downtown, on a flight, or working in a cafe, with an ambient mode that feels natural and lifelike, almost like not wearing earbuds at all, plus a transparency mode that seamlessly balances background awareness with crisp music clarity, something Apple nailed with the AirPods Pro but Bose is finally matching, and maybe even surpassing. These earbuds pack a powerful new Bose X1 audio processor, improved Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and low-latency gaming support, so whether you're watching movies on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, gaming on a PS5, or attending Zoom calls on a MacBook M4, the audio stays in perfect sync, and the bass is rich without distortion even at high volumes. Bose also refined the design, slimmer, lighter, with a matte finish that looks sleek and feels secure even during workouts, while IPX5 water resistance keeps them safe from sweat or light rain. Battery life has jumped to nearly 10 hours per charge, with a total of 36 hours in the case, beating Apple's AirPods Pro 2 and coming close to Sony's best-in-class endurance, and yes, it now supports both USB-C and Qi wireless charging. Voice pickup quality is another major leap, thanks to a triple mic array powered by AI noise suppression, making calls clearer even in windy environments, a big plus for professionals and commuters. Bose also added integration with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can control smart homes, check notifications, or start a playlist hands-free. Sound quality is where Bose really flexes. Every frequency feels balanced, vocals pop, and spatial audio support makes music and movies more immersive than ever, rivaling Apple's dynamic head tracking. Early reviews from US tech creators praise its low-end punch and clarity during calls and podcasts, while gamers highlight the lag-free audio and comfort for long sessions. But the big question remains, is this enough to dethrone Apple and Sony? Well, if you value comfort, customization, and natural sound over flashy ecosystems, Bose's new earbuds might finally be the smartest buy in 2025. At $299, they're priced right in the premium segment, but the performance and build quality make it worth it, especially for those who don't want to be locked into Apple's ecosystem. Bose has clearly learned from its competition, blending the best of both worlds, Apple's intelligence and Sony's sound fidelity, and the result could easily be the new king of wireless earbuds. So what do you think? Are the Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 earbuds finally good enough to beat Apple and Sony, or will the AirPods Pro 3 and Sony XM5 reclaim the crown later this year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Dive for more honest, in-depth tech reviews made for the US audience, because the battle for the best earbuds of 2025 has only just begun.